friends! Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color a super cool glittery Christmas ornament. Let's get started! Glitty Art English! First, I draw a big circle shape. This is the main body of the ornament. Then I draw the top part. It's called the cap, where we usually hang the ornament. After that, I draw several horizontal layers across the body of the ornament. These layers make it look extra colorful and festive. Now, it's time to color. First, I color the cap with glittery orange. Then, I color the top layer with glittery pink. For the second layer, I use glittery blue. Next, for the third layer, I go with glittery red. Then, I color the fourth layer with glittery yellow. And finally, I color the last layer with glittery green. And we're done! Our glittery ornament looks so colorful. Thanks for drawing with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye!